Hello friends! Right now I have an honor to show you how to create first project inside of System Workbench for STM32. It's completely free IDE for developing applications for STM microcontrollers. Firstly, I will show you how to install System Workbench for STM32. In my case, I'm using Windows 8.8 64-bit version. So this video will regard to perform installation on this operating system, but installation on similar Windows operating systems will be almost the same. So firstly, it is possible to check the version of Windows and the right version of a Windows system. Here we see 64 bits. Then it is needed to check also the version of Java which is installed on your PC. So to check it, we can go into control panel, add remove programs. Here we can check and assure that our Java version is also 64 bits, so it has to be exactly the same as the version of operating system. Otherwise, System Workbench can cause errors. Okay, so right now it is possible to go to open STM32.org. This is the main website where we can download our workbench. In my case, we will assure that we are a new user. So firstly, it is needed to perform registration. Here all these fields have to be filled, and when we will do it, we will obtain an access to the installation files. Okay, after performing a registration, we can go into tab System Workbench for STM32. Here we can see the steps to go through, which is I recommend to read some text on this website to avoid any maybe too obvious errors. I recommend to install System Workbench using installer, because using installer every adjustments for Eclipse System Workbench is an IDE which is based on Eclipse environment, so all plugins and adjustments will be automatically performed. So it's very convenient. Here is described the installation process. Here we can go to download the System Workbench, and here we can click to install appropriate version. In my case, for 64 bits operating systems, it has to be, as we can read this command here, it's really important to install the same version as version of operating system. So we can click here, and right now starts the downloading of installation files. Here there is a files which were downloaded previously. Here we can get into it. Yes. And using this installer, can go just through it, and here it's important step. I strongly also recommend to left here the default path to avoid any potential problems in the future. Especially it's to emphasize that this path shouldn't have any special characters or empty spaces, otherwise it almost always causes any problems. Okay, so we can get next. So in my case I have already installed this environment, so I'm clicking no, but you can I'm sure that when you go further you will not have any other problems. Okay, so in this video that's all. We will see us in the next part. See ya.